Moving on to ethical benefits. One of the most simple reason why we should appreciate biodiversity, we should conserve biodiversity, is for its aesthetic value, for the appreciation of nature. All of us love nature. We derive inspiration from nature. Take for example literature. Whether it is English literature or literature of any language, you will see literature is greatly influenced by nature. Greatly influenced by nature. Appreciation of nature, influence from nature, description of nature, these are the main topics in literature. Biodiversity helps us in developing useful habits. The appreciation for nature helps in cultivating habits like bird watching, trekking, and so on. In fact, in the recent years, there is a lot of importance being given to what is known as ecotourism, visiting places of ecological significance. So biodiversity helps us in cultivating useful habits. This apart, in biodiversity, particularly in a country like India, we have what is known as sacred species concept. Many species of plants in our country are revered and worshipped. The simplest example, the tulsi plant. The Ashoka plant. the banyan tree. So lot of respect towards many species of plants, some species of animals also. Like for example the cow. Such beliefs go a long way in protecting such plants and animals, and contributing towards conservation of biodiversity. We also have the concept of sacred groves and sacred hills. There are regions with particular community of plants which are considered as the abode of God. From time immemorial, and people hesitate to cut the trees there. Such a belief again goes a long way in protecting the rich diversity. India houses thousands of sacred groves. Many of them have still not been identified. The communities living in such areas from a long time have been protecting these plant species, have been helping them in grow better and in conserving such species. So this idea is known as sacred species concept.